Hi guys, it's Jisoo. Welcome back to my channel. And this is just a mini vlog of my life, and I hope you enjoy. So I filmed this video a week ago, and right now I'm going to Starbucks carrying my water bottle, and yeah, here is my water bottle, my favorite one. And I'm going to Starbucks to study. And the Starbucks is a bit downstairs of our house, so I'm just getting onto the elevator and going down and going to the Starbucks. So I came to Starbucks and I ordered a peppermint tea. Yeah, here's the tea, and I got it in the mug. And in front of me there's a bullet journal, my 2018 bullet journal, and my laptop, and the white wires that you guys are seeing is my earphone. And the tea was really good. Yeah, I love peppermint, and the peppermint tea in Starbucks was really nice. And right now with my laptop I'm just making my to-do list for the day and writing down some of my plans on my bullet journal and my time schedules for this day. Because it's winter in Korea, having a sip of tea inside Starbucks is making me feel really cozy and comfortable, so it kind of motivated me to study more and to work harder. And yeah, I'm not really sure why it took me so long to write down things in my bullet journal, but anyway, I was just checking my plan and writing down the schedules. Yeah, and I finally finished writing down things in my bullet journal, and I began to charge my camera. Well, I was filming with my camera, but I had another battery for it, so I was charging that one. And I don't know what I did with my laptop right now, but I think I just managed my to-do list, maybe. I think that's what I did. Anyway, I was doing something. Yeah, after doing some things with my laptop, I finally decided to study, I guess. Yeah, so I'm getting my A4 papers out and my pencil case and all of the stuff that I need to take notes. So I'm just organizing the desk so I can really focus on studying, and I closed my laptop once and opened it again, I think. Oh yeah, it was just to get the timer going on so I can check how much I have studied. And I am getting my stuff out of my bag. Well, for phone, I'm using it to listen to music because I like to listen to my own music when I'm studying. So I'm just trying to find the music with YouTube. And yeah, I finally got the music and my A4 paper out. And first I decided to study my biology and take notes of it. And yeah, so when I take notes, I take it on an A4 paper, and I use black and blue pens and a ruler, and sometimes I use highlighter. And I use highlighter when I'm reading my notebook, so I can highlight in a really important place and the words and keywords and those kind of stuff. And on this day, I was taking the notes about plants' transport system. At school, we haven't started learning transport system, so it was basically not a catch-up, but just a preview of what we're going to learn when I go back to school, because I was on holiday and I was in Seoul, not in Jeju. Yeah, so I was just trying to preview it, and because it was my first time looking at this chapter, this transport system chapter, it was kind of difficult, and it wasn't my favorite topic to study, I guess, at this moment. After about an hour of biology note-taking, I finally finished the amount of note-taking that I wanted to do for this day. And yes, so I put the papers back into the A4 paper piles, and I decided to take chemistry notes. So I got my chemistry book out of my bag and I began to continue taking chemistry notes, and I think this video is basically showing me taking notes, not just like a mini vlog type. After studying a lot in Starbucks, I came back to house and I decided to boil some eggs. And yeah, so I'm showing you guys the eggs, and I put them into the pot. And I also cooked some breads. You know, I just toasted them, and yeah, I was basically trying to have dinner. Yeah, I opened the toaster and I got the butter out. Yeah, and I just found a really nice huge dish from the cupboard, and I decided to put the breads on it. Yeah, so that's the bread. It looks really tasty. So after having this huge dinner, I decided to study SAT. And yeah, because it was probably my second day, no, probably my first day of studying, so I just decided to read the introduction, and yeah, I was just basically trying to get the contents inside my head and get the concept of what this thing is and how to study for it, and yeah, that was what I did. And yeah, that's it for this mini vlog, which I think basically became the study vlog of me. And this is the end, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed this, please press likes and subscribe to my channel, and bye.